Are you looking for the perfect camping truck bed that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best camping truck bed, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, Qualencey Truck Bed Camping Tent. Durable Oxford fabric tent with shade awning for outdoor adventures. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The Qualencey Truck Bed Camping Tent is designed for outdoor lovers who want to turn their pickup truck into a cozy and convenient shelter wherever their adventure takes them. Made from durable Oxford fabric, this tent offers impressive protection from wind and rain while keeping the interior comfortable and dry during overnight stays. Its built-in shade awning creates a relaxing outdoor space for cooking, lounging, or simply enjoying the view. The setup is simple and quick, allowing campers to spend less time assembling and more time exploring. The tent fits securely on most truck beds, making it ideal for road trips, tailgating, fishing weekends, and camping in remote areas where traditional tents may not work. On the plus side, users appreciate its sturdy zippers, thick fabric, and stable frame that holds up well in changing weather. The ventilation windows also provide great airflow, keeping the interior fresh even on warmer nights. However, it can feel slightly bulky to pack, and the setup may require 2 people for the first try. Still, its comfort, durability, and weather protection make it an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys off-grid adventures without giving up convenience. The Qualencey Truck Bed Camping Tent turns your truck into a mobile campsite ready for any journey. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have Golabs Truck Bed Tent. 2-person waterproof tent for 5 to 6 foot truck beds with Rainfly and storage bag, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The Golabs Truck Bed Tent transforms your pickup into a comfortable 2-person camping space, perfect for outdoor adventures, road trips, or weekend getaways. Built from durable waterproof fabric, it offers strong protection against rain and wind, keeping you dry and cozy even in unpredictable weather. The included Rainfly adds an extra layer of coverage, while the well-ventilated design ensures fresh airflow throughout the night. It fits most truck beds between 5 and 6 feet, providing a secure and stable shelter that feels both private and spacious. The setup is simple and can be done in minutes, and the tent easily packs away into its included storage bag for convenient transport. On the positive side, campers love its sturdy construction, easy assembly, and thoughtful design details like multiple windows for ventilation and stargazing. The floor remains elevated from the ground, keeping you safe from moisture and uneven surfaces. However, for taller users, interior height might feel a little limited, and it is best suited for mild to moderate weather rather than extreme conditions. Still, the Golabs Truck Bed Tent offers a practical balance of comfort, portability, and durability, making it a great option for anyone who enjoys exploring without leaving the truck behind. It is an ideal choice for couples or solo travelers who want to camp with ease and comfort. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Golabs Truck Bed Tent. Two-person waterproof tent for 5 to 6 foot truck beds with Rainfly and storage bag. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The Golabs Truck Bed Tent turns your pickup into a cozy and reliable outdoor shelter, designed to fit most truck beds between 5 and 6 feet. It comfortably sleeps 2 people, making it perfect for road trips, weekend camping, or tailgate adventures. Crafted from durable waterproof fabric, this tent keeps you protected from rain, wind, and unexpected weather changes while maintaining proper ventilation for a fresh and comfortable interior. The included Rainfly offers added protection, and the pre-assembled frame allows for quick setup in just a few minutes, so you can spend more time relaxing and less time struggling with tent poles. A thoughtful storage bag makes it easy to pack up and carry wherever your journey leads. On the positive side, users appreciate its sturdy build, weather resistance, and easy installation that works well even for beginners. The tent's elevated truck bed design keeps you off the ground, away from dirt and moisture, ensuring a cleaner and safer camping experience. However, taller campers might find the headroom slightly limited, and the tent is best suited for mild to moderate weather conditions rather than heavy storms. Still, for travelers seeking comfort, simplicity, and value, the Golabs Truck Bed Tent offers one of the most practical solutions for outdoor sleeping. It blends protection, portability, and style effortlessly. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, Getaways Pickup Truck Tent 2.0, waterproof double-layer bed tent for 2-person camping. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Getaways Pickup Truck Tent 2.0 brings comfort, convenience, and protection to your next outdoor trip, turning your truck bed into a cozy 2-person shelter. Built with a durable double-layer design, it offers excellent weather resistance, keeping you dry and comfortable even during light rain or windy nights. The waterproof fabric and secure seams prevent moisture from entering, while the well-ventilated windows allow for steady airflow, making it ideal for both warm and cool conditions. Its simple setup saves time and effort, allowing you to relax and enjoy nature instead of struggling with complicated gear. The tent fits most standard truck beds and provides reliable stability even on uneven ground, making it great for road trips, festivals, or weekend adventures. Users love its strong construction, roomy interior, and thoughtful design that includes storage pockets for small essentials. On the downside, while the tent handles moderate rain well, it may not be suited for extremely heavy downpours, and taller campers might find the interior height a bit limited. However, its combination of durability, comfort, and ease of use makes it one of the best choices for casual campers and travelers who love sleeping under the stars without sacrificing safety or warmth. The Getaways Truck Tent turns any trip into a memorable outdoor escape. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the absolute best of the best. At number 1, Pitman Outdoors Pro 3 Truck Bed Air Mattress, full-size 8-foot pickup camping mattress. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Pitman Outdoors Pro 3 Truck Bed Air Mattress is the ultimate solution for a comfortable and restful night while camping or traveling in your truck. Designed to fit full-size 8-foot pickup beds perfectly, it transforms your truck into a cozy sleeping space that rivals a home bed. The mattress features durable, puncture-resistant materials and a soft flocked top for added comfort, ensuring you stay relaxed throughout the night. Its easy-to-use pump allows for quick inflation and deflation, making setup and storage effortless, and the mattress maintains even support to prevent sagging or discomfort. This air mattress is ideal for weekend adventures, road trips, or extended camping stays, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors without sacrificing a good night's sleep. Users appreciate its generous size, sturdiness, and ease of use, though it may take up some storage space when deflated, and taller sleepers might find head or leg positioning slightly limited depending on truck bed design. Despite these minor considerations, the Pro 3 mattress offers unmatched convenience and comfort for truck bed campers. Pairing it with a cozy sleeping bag or light bedding can further enhance the experience, making it a versatile option for outdoor enthusiasts of all kinds. Its high-quality construction and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves camping, road trips, or outdoor adventures. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.